Is Soundbar worth buying? Soundbars can be a good option for people who want to improve the audio quality of their TV without the hassle and expense of setting up a full surround sound system. They are typically more compact and easier to install than a traditional home theater system. They can significantly improve sound quality over the built-in speakers on most TVs. Here are 5 reasons Soundbars worth buying. Number 1. Sound quality. Soundbars increase TV audio. Most TVs have tinny built-in speakers. Larger, more powerful soundbar drivers produce better sound. Movies and TV shows featuring speech, music, and sound effects may improve listening. Number 2. Simplicity. Soundbars offer a simple way to improve the audio quality of your TV. They have a single, compact design that is easy to set up and use, and many models come with a remote control for convenient volume and playback control. Number 3. Wireless connectivity. Many soundbars allow you to stream music from your smartphone, tablet, or computer over Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. This can be a convenient feature if you want to listen to music or podcasts while watching TV. Number 4. Multiple input options. Many soundbars have more than one type of input, like HDMI, optical, and Bluetooth, so that you can connect a wide range of devices to it. This can be helpful if you want to use the soundbar to amplify the sound from your TV, streaming device, game console, or smartphone. Number 5. Easy setup. Another benefit of soundbars is their ease of setup. Most versions include cords and instructions, and can be connected to your TV in minutes. Compared to traditional home entertainment systems, this is far simpler to install. That's all from my video. I will make more helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you want to know more about the product's description or price, please check out the video description. For any questions, please comment below. Thanks for watching.